Once upon a time, a brand was a mark to show cattle ownership. Over decades, the term brand has evolved and expanded. Today, it's more likely to mean how people think of you, both the way your brand looks and the way it makes them feel. That means there are two core elements of your brand, the tangible and intangible. A brand is made of two crucial components. The tangible parts of a brand are what you can see. They look the same to everyone and include the logo, font, name, and even the product or service. The intangible brand is subjective and harder to define. It is the unique way people perceive your brand and includes the culture, story, and emotions it elicits. For example, imagine your friend Lona loves the brand Lemur Athletic Clothing. The tangible brand elements are the product, playful lemur logo, and colorful packaging. Body-positive language and inclusive store atmosphere and the warmth customers feel when they see a lemur ad make up their intangible brand. Your brand is what people think of you, whether it's their first purchase or one of many. So it's crucial to understand a brand's power. First, your brand is a relationship built on trust. It says, you can count on us to provide X. Next, your brand's perceived value affects the company's financial value. A salacious headline or faulty product hurts both. Handle your customers' feelings and trust with care. Also, a strong brand increases loyalty and, in turn, sales. Deliver on product A and your customer may try product B. Finally, a strong brand cultivates customer ambassadors who will promote your business, and that's worth more than any campaign you could pay for. Think of your favorite computer, the clothing company you return to often, or a beloved restaurant. What brought you there, and why do you keep returning? Part of the answer is branding. Consumers seek assurance that the product or service they're about to purchase is worth the money and that the company shares their values. Branding is the messenger that gives consumers that assurance. Your brand has to represent your product and your values, so consider how you'll present it to the world. Before you design a logo or launch a website, thoroughly examine these elements of your brand. First, define your mission. What are your values and what is your purpose? Then, consider how you'll tell your story. This should be an emotive narrative that supports your mission, not a dry history. Next, identify your people. Who needs your product and why? Finally, articulate your value to that group. How do you solve their problems? Brand has an ever-evolving meaning, but it's safe to say it encompasses both the way you present your company and the way people think and feel about it. Be consistent to earn and keep your audience's trust. That's important for both the intangible and tangible elements of your business. Doing so will help you build a loyal and enthusiastic following that will only grow.